Thank you. Oh, of course, that's you.
We were at a tea party.
You were. That's so sweet. I'm so glad that you got.
Happy Father. Happy Father.
He's pulling up. There you go, their eyes. Very good, Elle.
I know.
Okay, you need a partner.
You can come on out. Thank you.
Grandma, Grandpa, Grandma, Grandpa, today's for you, today's for you. We want you to feel special, to know how much we love you.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
So one more time, ready? And point to your special people. Grandma, Grandpa, Grandma, Grandpa.